What are you doing?
Well, I'm counting the months till SEMA. And it's just not coming up with this last finger. Nope, we're stuck with this amount of time.
That's it.
What year is this thing?
48.
48. Would you look at that?
You guys have like
A stick?
can you hold that?
Yeah, I can hold it. Oh, perfect. That's a little sketchy.
Do you want me to hold
I
it?
can honestly just hold it. I'm just gonna hold it, honestly. Serious reading.
So the Cummins, just the block is 34 inches long.
So we're gonna have to do some finagling. Or if that's the word you want to use.
Unless you want to go into firewall.
Well, that's what I was thinking, that we could bring it into the cab a little bit if we needed to. What would be best? I'd really be fine with that too.
I mean, I would think keeping the original body lines would be the best route.
Look on the inside and see like how much.
What are you gonna do for interior?
Not really sure. Just like black something. Oh, like definitely like armadillo line, the inside of it like black. What the hell?
Lacey, cussing on the block.
Hell isn't that bad of a word. I can't use
AT
that.
double hockey sticks. Pretty nifty.
These aren't even mine. I don't even know how to use these little cheap things. Oh yeah. Sometimes it's demolition.
Where?
Don't you agree? Like all of the black smoke?
Yeah, I mean,
Don't you agree?
He says, how much black smoke? I said, all of it.
If we can get it.
We haven't even really done like, actually I haven't even looked on the inside of it really, but we haven't done like a walk around of this thing on video. So here it is, kids.
You're gonna sit in it and the seats are just gonna fall through the floor.
Probably.
That's fine.
So.
are you gonna do AC? So you can bring the engine further back.
Yeah.
Obviously, you have to make a new transmission tunnel.
Yeah.
That was talked about.
Should be
I mean,
fine.
it needs one. Needs one.
Absolutely.
For sure.
Does this not latch at all? No.
It doesn't.
Nope. There's nothing to latch it onto.
I wonder how we're gonna.
Non-existent. It'll buff out.
Does it really need to close and latch?
No.
I mean,
I guess if
you take this can stay. Your radiator's gone. You got
you're having
a bucket of room. You can always support this another way. Track bar. Most of the time, you're going to run a parallel 4-link because you're not going to be able to do it upper triangulated around the motor unless we just get lucky with placement of it. They're just such tall blocks.
Yeah.
I mean, it is going to be lifted pretty high though, but the idea is to possibly jump it full stroke of it.
He just likes to jump stuff. He's the one that talked me into that. He put that idea in my head. Do you want to jump it? Of course I'm going to be like, yeah, let's jump it at some point. We don't have to jump it.
There's going to be a little bit of a layout scenario of trying to figure out there's a nail holding the shock on. Yes. It's both sides.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Hand, good. I mean, it's a full restoration. I think most places take years to do this.
Hey guys, so we have the Jeep Willys loaded back up, hooked to the Kodiak. I can't keep it hooked. Garth's judging me for talking to the camera. think you'd be used to it by now. So we are about to take the Jeep to, please excuse my neighbors mowing the lawn. It's totally fine. We're about to take the Jeep to Heartland Fab. That is the first stop. They need the body and the frame right now to measure up some things and get started. Then we're gonna take the frame back here so we can get started on that. You know, we don't do custom suspension at the shop, so that's where it's headed first to get that plan together. Shout out to Fast for my vlog shirt today. What'd you bring me, Garth?
Water. Because you're trying to be healthy.
Trying to be healthy. So guys, there is this really tight turn by the shop. I have yet to attempt to make it myself, but lately I've proved to be a pretty good trailer driver, right Garth?
So she says.
That is not even true.
It is true.
What do you mean?
You're a good trailer driver.
Yeah, I know, okay. So anyways, I'm gonna attempt this, but we're gonna keep the vlog rolling in case something bad happens. Because, I mean, why not? So I'm gonna pass it over to Garthy, who
Here we go. Moment of truth.
So we're going left, right?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna wipe your truck out with
Yeah, I mean, it's...
It drives a lot better when there's something on it.
We're good back there.
I think it's gonna be fine, huh?
You better go all the way to the building.
The type of boys and girls.
You better take her wider. Yeah, you might have it.
Would you look at that?
With ease.
Ain't nothing but a thing.
Ain't nothing but a thing, she says.
What's up? Good, you're on the vlog. He hates me. What's up, guys?
Staying busy.
Yeah.
Alright. I'll show you something.
Sure. He just falls. Oh boy.
Pull it up.
Oh, it needs to go up more? Okay, we got her inside. Sure thing. Okay, we'll go check out these cradles. It's got some cradles already in stock.
This is what it looks like when it's all done. It'll be the same cradles. I mean, obviously.
Oh yeah, that'll look good.
Looks a little better with some powder on it.
Let's try the little zoom function. Oh.
I got some up on the bench so that we can see them a little better.
Okay.
A little more light up there.
Zoom out here.
Right there across the
Yeah.
track. See where Fat Boys is? And the Arlington on that
Yes.
track. Yeah, the Arlington and Fat Boys is like just down from them right by that intersection.
Tired. What is that? Can I wear that?
Yeah, here. It's Corbin's helmet.
Hell yeah, brother.
Selfie mode.
No,
Oh,
'cause
dude,
I
that's
can't
sick.
see. Close to 50K. We might be at 50K now by the time this is posted. Come on in, be the co-pilot. You want to be in it? We're over here at Heartland Fab. We're gonna do something a little. We're gonna do this.
Silver, I didn't have anything else. I had yellow, but the tip was clogged.
The tip's always clogged.
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at the runs.
I'm not a professional.
You're not even an amateur.
Do you even tag, bro?
I'm trying to really like, get it dark.
There's a bunch of Mexican people here and the white person's tagging it.
America. Silver didn't really work out that great, so we're just doing a redo over here. I thought it was looking better. It'll be better.
3K, because that's what we're almost to.
Whoa. Yes! Stay!
Put a hashtag at least.
Chalk. It's a SEMA chalk. It's done. It's literally done after that.
Nope.
Bam. That's it. It's officially a SEMA truck. Oh. Oh. Are we really busting something? You really want me to make a mess in your shop?
We'll sweep it up. We got room.
Okay, here you go. Check what. Okay.
Bulletproof glass.
That one wasn't cracked. That was a good window.
Literally said beforehand, do not hit the wing window.
Well, now we gotta get a wing window.
Those are gonna be so expensive.
Oh my god.
Seriously, that was a good window.
Nah, you don't know.
See if they make those. We can put that out and get a one-piece window.
You might as well bust the rest.
The back one's broken. Take out the back one too.
Sucks, honestly. Well, no, whatever.
Don't hit any of those.
No, don't do that one.
These 3 windows are good. Those are good. Knock the plastic one out.
You want me to do what?
Bust the window out with your head. Put the helmet on.
With this freaking dinky.
With the rascal, yeah.
Alright. The big window? Whatever one you want.
No, do the big.
They're both messed up.
Can you roll that window up with you? No. You don't want it up. You want it down.
Don't think about it. Just do it.
Should you like run or just like tap on it or what?
Probably gonna do it with the side. I don't know. These little spikes are probably gonna soften the blow. You're good.
That helmet doesn't help anything.
You gotta do it from the side.
The helmet doesn't help anything. What are you like?
Yeah, like whip your hair back and forth, but with a helmet on in the window. I got a gun. You can shoot it out.
Yes, right here, Lacey. I got a whole face.
Okay, that's on backwards for sure.
No, she's gonna hit a body panel with that
Seems
thing.
a little extra. This is a little
Go
heavy.
way.
You're good. Just throw it.
Throw it through it.
Literally throw it?
Yes, like stand back here and literally throw it through it.
She's gonna hit the door.
I'm definitely gonna hit the door.
No, I know. Don't do that.
You're good. You got it.
No, it's not gonna break it.
I believe in you.
Throw it. Is that
I believe in you. Yeah. Make sure you watch your feet.
I mean, that wasn't bad.
Well, that chip wasn't there. No.
Now you're getting charged for the chip in the floor.
It was pretty cool though. I was gonna seal the floor next week.
Was that worth it?
I mean, I don't know. You tell me. It's your video.
He's gonna set up the old save timer because we're all gonna take a picture up here.
Gotta see the SEMA truck.
Gotta see the SEMA truck. It's our 50K picture. Oh, ouch.
Like you could have done it like
Run, 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 run.
Ready? Good or no?
Oh, I need a little one. What the fuck?
I need someone to let me out.
Can I see it?
Potato on the hood.
Okay, put on it. It's extra.
But if,
What do you got for me?
so if you put this in the glove box, this controls your AC, your fan, your fuel. But you're probably going to run a fast lift pump on it and fuel system. So that'll turn that on, your ignition, and it's push to start like
Push to
new
start.
cars.
Dang. That'll be fancy.
I'm planning the flight September 20th, Area 51.
Seriously?
Yeah, we're gonna go raid the
Storming
base.
Area, yeah. Everybody's
Area
raiding Area
51.
51.
You didn't see
September
that?
20th. You haven't
You
seen
didn't?
that?
No.
Like 500,000 people are gonna get on this.
Why would they do that?
aliens.
They want to figure out what's
alien
there.
cheeks.
Oh my god. I haven't heard any of that.
Yeah, I literally just ordered a book on how to LS swap a UFO. Can I clear 35s on my UFO with just a leveling kit? Lacey, it fogs up.
I know, I'm not sure. So we're literally, how do I roll this window down? I don't even know how to use my own truck.
so many dang heads up here.
I have tons back here too. We are, Nick's driving because he knows the yard a little better basically. We're driving the trailer through the yard.
He's gonna hate you next time he cuts grass.
Oh my
I can literally
God.
watch the rocks fall out of the tail of the trailer.
We're straight out here.
We out here. The 44 foot is not convenient.
Where we're going, we don't need roads.
Going off-road in the 44. Two-wheel drive Kodiak.
He go to
Why not?
take out his little tree though.
It'll
I
buff
don't have a
out.
dime in that tree.
Well, me neither, but let Lacey do it. He may not feel as bad.
No, we don't need Devin to not like me.
Let's go put an LP Motorsports sticker on it.
Yeah, like a Band-Aid, it'll buff
exactly.
out. Well, we made it.
Well,
Kinda. Alright.
You might want to back her up and get her over, honestly. That's a hell of a swing.
That is a
now I got a gun
serious
in front,
swing.
right in the trailer.
Jeez, fucking.
It's a serious swing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah,
Hair on your chinny chin chin.
looking good.
Let it go.
No, yeah. Yeah, you'll be good. I'm watching you.
I'm worried about the ditch.
It'll drag. It ain't gonna be no worse than what Lacey did to it.
No, we're good. We're Gucci. Yeah, three
She
tires.
really drug it through a 4-foot ditch earlier.
It got me, it made me nervous.
All right. You guys are Gucci.
Thank you. So, told Garth maybe we could eat somewhere good for dinner on our way back.
Dinner.
So, because we're up north a little bit. But, for one, the 44 foot don't fit many places. And for two, everywhere's closed because it's past midnight. So, we got our dinner at the old Walmart. Got some Lunchables. Got some chips and dip. We got some cinnamon rolls. I mean, it really just doesn't get any better.
Nope.
Haven't had these in a while.
Got the classic pizza Lunchable.
Oh,
too.
classic pizza Lunchable.
Not the junk one, the classic ones.
Yeah, not the deep dish. We couldn't afford
the
that.
deep dish was too expensive. It was like $6.
Don't put candy in these little cheap ones anymore. Ain't that something? You ever heard of mukbangs on YouTube, Garth?
No.
It's like videos where people just eat. I think I could like literally make a career out of that.
All right, hammer down.